In this video, we will demonstrate to you how to transmit and receive Morse code signal lights. But first, what is Morse code? Morse code is an alphabet or code in which letters are represented by combinations of long and short signals using light and sounds.
In transmission, it starts by getting the receiver's attention with a long, steady beam of light. Once they acknowledge you, transmit a Morse code representation of your vessel's name or call sign. Send your message letter by letter using Morse code. Remember to leave a space between letters, 3 ticks, and a longer space between words, 7 ticks.
If you're receiving the message, use a short flash to signal you're ready to receive. As you see the flashes, translate the dots, dashes, and spaces into letters using a Morse code chart. Once you receive the enter message, confirm receipt by sending a Morse code letter R or dot dash dot.
In case of emergencies, the internationally recognized Morse code for distress signal is SOS, repeated continuously. Additional tips: maintain a steady rhythm when transmitting your message. Aim the light source directly at the receiver for better visibility, and be patient and clear in your communication.